My name is Joyner Flood. I'm a project manager here in Asheville, North Carolina. So what three things do customers need to know before buying land? The first thing I would tell customer is to look at the elevation and grade of the land. Here in Asheville, North Carolina, we are in the mountains of western North Carolina. A lot of properties that are available are never flat, mostly have large elevation gains. Those elevation gains are going to determine whether your house is going to be on a crawl space or a basement. The second point I'd like to tell customers would be site access. This involves, does the site have allowable access for our trades? Does it have access for utilities to go in? And how much clearing does the site need? It's, again, here in the mountains, it's rare that the lots are already cleared. We're having to go in and remove a bunch of trees, get the site buildable, and get the site ready to allow us to put in those utilities. Again, all expenses to the customer. And the third point here I'd like to make is the utilities. So what's going to determine your house and the price of your home is whether you are on city water, or if you have a well, or if you have a septic system, or if you're on city sewer. These, again, are good questions to ask before you buy a lot, again, determining the price of the construction and what can or cannot be done during that time. Again, Joyner Flood, Asheville, North Carolina.